Hello, viewers. Welcome to today's session. Our today's topic is ethical issues for e-learner and e-teacher in teaching, learning, and research. Please watch the full video carefully and write down the important points. At the end, you will find some multiple choice questions to check and strengthen your learning. Let us understand ethical issues for e-learner and e-teacher. With the rapid growth of digital platforms in education, ethical concerns in the virtual learning environment have gained significant importance. Both e-learners, students, and e-teachers, educators, are required to follow certain ethical norms to maintain the integrity, fairness, and trustworthiness of the online teaching, learning, and research process. Ethical behavior is the backbone of successful e-learning and e-teaching environments. Both learners and teachers must be guided by the principles of honesty, respect, fairness, and responsibility. Some ethical issues in teaching. 1. Academic integrity. E-teachers must ensure that all content shared, whether self-created or sourced, adheres to copyright laws and acknowledges original authors. Plagiarism in content delivery is an unethical practice. 2. Digital equity. Teachers must strive to ensure equitable access to resources for all learners, including those with disabilities or limited internet access. Using accessible formats and inclusive design is an ethical responsibility. 3. Respecting privacy. E-teachers should protect the personal data of students and avoid sharing it without consent. Recording classes without permission and sharing student performance data publicly are considered ethical violations. 4. Non-discriminatory practices. The online classroom should reflect fairness, avoiding bias based on gender, religion, caste, disability, or socioeconomic status. All students must be treated with respect. 5. Professionalism. Maintaining professional boundaries in online interactions is crucial. Inappropriate communication or favoritism undermines the ethical standards of teaching. Ethical issues in learning. 1. Plagiarism. E-learners must avoid copying content from the internet or fellow students. Assignments, quizzes, and papers must reflect their own understanding and effort. 2. Cheating in online assessments. Using unfair means such as browsing for answers during online tests or impersonation is unethical and affects the credibility of evaluation systems. 3. Digital etiquette. Learners should follow proper etiquette in online discussions and respect peer opinions. Use of abusive or disrespectful language in forums or live sessions is unacceptable. 4. Proper use of resources. Students should use e-resources responsibly, avoiding illegal downloads or distribution of paid licensed content without authorization. Ethical issues in online research. 1. Plagiarism and citation. Both e-teachers and e-learners engaged in research must cite sources properly. Copying from online journals, blogs, or documents without credit is a major ethical offense. 2. Informed consent. When conducting online surveys or interviews, researchers must obtain informed consent from participants and explain the purpose and use of data collected. 3. Data privacy and confidentiality. Storing and using research data must comply with data protection rules. Personal information should be anonymized and securely stored. 4. Misrepresentation of findings, falsifying data, misinterpreting results, or selective reporting to suit hypotheses is unethical. Research integrity must be maintained at all stages. Dear viewers, Let's solve some important multiple choice questions based on the presentation. 1. Which of the following is an ethical responsibility of an e-teacher? A. Sharing copyrighted material freely. B. Ensuring digital equity for all students. C. Ignoring accessibility needs. D. Favoring high-performing students only. Answer B. 2. What is considered unethical behavior by an e-learner during online exams? A. Reading instructions carefully. B. Logging in on time. C. Using unfair means or impersonation. D. Submitting answers within time. Answer C. 3. Plagiarism in e-learning refers to A. Submitting original work. B. Copying content without giving credit. C. Working in groups. D. Sharing learning resources. Answer B. 4. Recording students without consent is a violation of A. Teaching strategy. B. Class rules. C. Data privacy and ethical norms. D. Learning outcomes. Answer C. 5. Ethical research demands A. Misreporting data. B. Informed consent from participants. C. Copying previous studies. D. Ignoring data protection. Answer B. 6. E-learners should use digital forums A. To troll peers. B. To spread false information. C. To express ideas respectfully. D. To remain silent. Answer C. 7. The unethical use of licensed content involves A. Free access to open resources. B. Authorized use through purchase. C. Illegal downloads or distribution. D. Institutional repository usage. Answer C. 8. Teachers displaying professional ethics should A. Encourage favoritism. B. Maintain boundaries and fairness. C. Share private messages publicly. D. Avoid feedback. Answer B. 9. Ethical e-learning supports A. Cheating and plagiarism. B. Respect, honesty, and responsibility. C. Biased treatment. D. Ignoring student challenges. Answer B. 10. What is not an ethical research practice? A. Citing all sources. B. Anonymizing personal data. C. Falsifying research findings. D. Getting participant consent. Answer C. 11. Inclusive education in e-learning means A. Teaching only able students. B. Ensuring all learners can access content. C. Avoiding differently abled students. D. Disregarding digital tools. Answer B. 12. What is required for ethical use of personal student data? A. Public sharing. B. Storing data on social media. C. Protecting it and seeking consent. D. Ignoring it. Answer C. 13. Online teachers must avoid A. Transparency in grading. B. Professionalism. C. Sharing student information without consent. D. Feedback to students. Answer C. 14. One ethical violation in online learning is A. Using open source tools. B. Quoting sources. C. Copy-pasting assignments. D. Joining classes on time. Answer C. Thank you, don't miss out. Subscribe now to my YouTube channel, Education and Teacher Education, for insightful content and valuable resources.